reconsider the closing of the nomination of the Senate President, Mr. President, and we'd like to give the floor to Senator Ping Lacson. So move, Mr. President.
We first have to act on the motion by Senator Joel. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is approved. Senator Lacson is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. I move to nominate Senator Vicente Soto III to the position of Senate President. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? There being none, the okay, we now proceed with the voting.
There are two nominations.
There are
Mr.
two
President. What we will do now is
candidates for
conduct the
Senate
voting, Mr.
presidency.
President.
One is Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and the other is Senator Tito Soto. Okay.
Pwede na mag-vote.
Pursuant to Section 2 of the Rules of the Senate, we will now proceed with the roll call vote. Secretary, please.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia.
Soto. Senator Soto.
Senator De La Rosa. Senator Escudero. Senator Escudero. Senator Estrada.
Cayetano.
Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Hontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Ligarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan. Senator Tulfo Erwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi. Senator Villanueva. Senator Villar Camil. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri.
I would like to be an independent member of the Senate.
What is your vote, Senator Subiri? Abstention.
Senator Soto III.
Cayetano.
May we get the results, please? With 13 votes for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and 9 votes for Senator Tito Soto and 2 abstention, Senator Cayetano is hereby elected as the new Senate President.